This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to take a look at the Sensortile.Box Pro from STMicroelectronics. Hello developers, welcome to DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, Senior Technology Editor at Embedded Computing Design. This little module is the new, ready-to-use, programmable, wireless box kit for developing any IoT application based on remote data gathering and evaluation. Basically, it's a dev kit shortcut for sensor systems and a great way into IoT solutions. The Sensortile Pro is designed for any level of experience, from novice coders to expert level. The box kit could be used at 3 different modalities depending on your experience level. In entry mode, you can run a wide range of already embedded IoT applications that are already on the box when it comes out of the box. Just download the free STBLE sensor app on whatever device, smartphone, and immediately begin using the board with any of the applications that have already been designed to work with the board sensors. These include a motion app for compass, free fall, pedometer, that kind of thing, environmental sensors like barometer, a data log, data recorder function. You've got AI and MLC with baby crying detectors or other human activities. And your user interface is QTouch. And you've got an NFC tag in here for connectivity, which is really cool. Great tool for a lot of different functions, as I'm sure many of you already know. Now, in expert mode, which is the next level up, you can build custom applications through the STBLE sensor app by selecting specific input data and operating parameters from corresponding available inbox sensors, functions to assess or compute those data, and output types, basically anything that you need, while still leveraging all of the available algorithms. Pro mode, however, the third level, is where the real juice lives. You can develop your own tailored IoT applications quick and easy by taking advantage of the STM32 Open Development Environment, ODE, and ST Function Pack libraries that all come along with it, including the AI Function Pack with the neural network libraries. And none of that requires you to write new code, so it's super easy. This board can easily be connected via Bluetooth to the STBLE sensor app, where you can use the entry level and expert modes. In Pro mode, Pro users can exploit the firmware programming and debugging interface in the STM32 ODE for developing firmware from scratch. The Sensortile.Box Pro is inside this tiny little box with a long life 480 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. It's got wireless charging and, as I said before, the programmable NFC tag built in. It's a great little device and a perfect tool for loading some IoT into your next solution. If you want to find out more about the Sensortile.Box Pro, you can visit st.com at the link in the description, and they sell for about $116 each individually. Please like and share this video, and make sure that you're subscribed so you never miss an episode of any of our shows. That's all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota with Embedded Computing Design. As you may be able to tell, I'm on the road, and I'm going to be back on the road in a couple of weeks at the RISC-V Summit. So I hope you're going to be able to join me in Santa Clara. Please come and meet with me. I'd love to shake your hand if you've been watching these videos and enjoying them. But that is all, I'm afraid, for right now and for this episode of DevKit Weekly. Thank you so much for joining me, and as always, we'll see you next time.